Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahar Ahmed, your online instructor. Friend, in this video, we will learn the usage of if-else, if and else condition. So I go to my Notepad++ code editor and I go to inside the file folder. Now I will save as this. I will click over save as. I will duplicate this page on the name of if_else.php. Now I click over save. Now I will delete the whole data which is inside the PHP basic syntax. Control S to save. I go to my Chrome browser and I will open that page which I have saved now, if_else.php. Now you are watching that this page is totally blank. I go inside my Notepad++ code editor. So friend, here I make first one variable var1 on the name of var1 mean variable 1 is equal to 10. var2 is equal to 10 and semicolon to close. Now you make the if statement. Friend, in this way you will make your if statement. Mean you use in this way if condition. First you will write if, then parentheses and then curly brackets. I go inside the parentheses and here I write $var1 double is equal to, means single is equal to is for assigning and double for equal to is equal to var$var2. Now I go inside my curly brackets, I press enter. And here I write echo double quote semicolon to close. This condition is true. Now I go out of these curly brackets and here I write else. Once again curly brackets. I press enter and inside it once again I write echo double quote semicolon and I write here this condition is wrong. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. Friend, you are watching that this condition is true, is showing on my Chrome browser. Why it is showing this one? Because var1 is really is equal to var2. You can see the value of var1 is 10 and the value of var2 is also 10. And I have also used this that if value of var1 is equal to value of var2, then this condition, this condition is true, should be shown. Therefore, this condition is true, is showing on my Chrome browser. So if I decrease or increase one of its value, then this condition is wrong, should be shown there. So I change its condition, one of variable condition. So I write here 12. I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. Now you can see that this condition is wrong. The second else value is showing, because now the value of var1 is not equal to var2. I would like to give you one more example of if and else. If I write echo and I make some br tag for line breaking, now I make one more variable on the name of $person, double quotes is equal to double quotes semicolon to close, Brock Lesnar. I give any name, the famous wrestler Brock Lesnar. And I now make the if statement. First I make one more variable here on the name of $age is equal to 21, and down I have already made the if statement structure, and inside the if I write here if $age less than 30, and you are watching that $age is really less than 30 because it is equal to 21. Then I go to inside the curly brackets, and I use the echo for showing data, and echo $person concatenation sign space dot space double quotes. Here I write the text. Is very young. Now I write here else statement. I make it separate so you could understand easily. Else, and then curly brackets, two curly brackets, and inside this curly bracket I once again write the echo, or I can also copy the above echo, it does not matter, you can also copy it, and I paste it down, and here I just change is not very young, is not young, everything is okay. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So friend, now you can see that Brock Lesnar is very young. Why this data is showing here on my browser? Because $age is really equal to 31 and it is less than 30. And if I wrote here in spite of 30, if I wrote here 20, then this will show that which is $person? $person is actually to the Brock Lesnar. If I write here 2 in spite of 3, Control S, then it will show that $person means Brock Lesnar is not young, because $person is the Brock Lesnar. So you can now see Brock Lesnar is not young. So friend, in this way you can very easily use the if and else statement, and we often use this statement during the creation of our website. I hope you would have understood this lecture. Now I will come back in my next video and I tell you something about the nested if and else. I see you in next video.